All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna secure my vehicle. Make sure my truck's in the lowest forward gear. My brakes are set. I'm gonna take my key with me and I'm gonna chock my wheels. Put my key in ignition. Put my transmission into neutral. And first thing I'm gonna do is put my key to accessory position. Make sure my ABS light goes on and off. The gauges are settled. Now we'll safe start my vehicle. My air pressure is a little low, so I'm just going to build it up. Alright, okay, now we can start. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to release my brakes, the tractor and trailer. After I let them know I have proper oil pressure, which should be between 20 and 60. We're at 40 right now. So I'm going to release my brakes to tractor and trailer, make sure my air pressure drops below 100. Then I'm going to fuel 12 to 1400 RPMs to reset my tanks. This here will just be a Connecticut style pre-trip car brake test. First thing I'm going to do is set my brakes. Now I got to secure my vehicle in the lowest forward gear. Shut my truck off. Now I'm going to put my key to accessory position. Alright. My gauges have settled. I'm at 120. First thing I'm going to do is call my 3 PSI leak check. I'm going to release my brakes to tractor and trailer and watch for my initial drop of 5 to 15. Okay, my needle stopped at 105. That means I lost 15 pounds. Now I'm going to wait my minute, make sure I don't lose no more than 3 pounds in this 1 minute. We'll pretend a minute's up. I lost 1 pound, so I'm at 104 right now. Next thing I'm going to do my 4 PSI leak check. I'm going to press firmly on my service brake and watch for my initial drop of 5 to 15. Okay, so right now I'm at 95 PSI. That means I lost 9 pounds. Now I'm going to wait my minute, make sure I don't lose no more than 4 pounds in 1 minute. Alright, my needles did not move, so I lost 0 pounds. I'm still at 95 pounds, right? Now I'm going to test my low warning light and buzzard. So I'm going to fan it down. My low warning light and buzzer should come on at 60 PSI or before. Alright, so it actually came on at 65 PSI. That means it's working properly. Now I'm going to check my spring brakes. I'm going to fan down between 45 and 20 until both my buttons pop out. Alright, and they popped out at about 40 pounds, okay? So that means my spring brake system is working properly. And that's basically all we have to do here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna safe start my vehicle, put it in neutral, safe start my vehicle. I'm gonna fuel 12 to 1400 RPMs and refill my tanks. For the occasion. Almost there. Got a full tank of air, so I'm going to secure my vehicle in the lowest forward gear, shut my truck off. I'm going to remove my chock blocks and complete my last 3 brake tests. Ignition. Alright. Put my truck into neutral. Safe start my vehicle. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my trailer braking coupling. So I'm going to release my, put it in first gear. I'm going to release my tractor brakes, test my trailer braking coupling. Trailer brake is holding, my coupling's secure, put it in neutral, make sure I reset. Now I'm going to test my tractor brakes. Again, first gear, I'm going to release my trailer brake, test my tractor brake. Neutral, reset. So my tractor brakes are holding. Now I'm going to test my service brake. I'm going to roll forward 5 miles an hour, push my clutch in, hit my service brake, pull my steering wheel lightly, make sure my tractor don't pull to the left or to the right. Put it first gear. Release my clutch in, brake. Alright, so my service brakes are holding, my tractor didn't pull to the left or to the right. That completes my brake test. Now I'm going to begin my in-cab inspection. My 2 chock blocks should be secured outside the vehicle. If I'm driving, it will be secured inside the vehicle. My fire extinguisher is properly charged and mounted. 5 BC for normal use, 10 BC if I'm hauling hazmat. My 3 reflective triangles are here and properly secured. My floor is free of any debris. Up here, I'm going to have my registration insurance, my spare balls and fuses, my seat belt, no cuts, no frays, and properly latches. Again, my spare balls and fuses, my windshield, my windows, and my mirrors are all clean, not cracked, and my mirrors are properly adjusted to me. My wipers, high, low, washer fluid, it's working properly. My defroster's working. My heater's working. Okay. The lights on my dash are working properly. My glass is clean, not cracked. My oil pressure is at 40. I should be between 20 and 60. My water temperature is at 140. Proper operating temperature would be 180, 200. My voltmeter is at 14. I should be between 12 and 14. My air pressure is at 115 right now. I should be between 120 and 125. left turn signal on, my right turn signal works properly, my high beam indicator works properly, my four-way flashes are working properly. My steering wheel, no more than 2 inches of play. City horn, highway horn working properly. My clutch, no more than 2 inches of play. We'll push it in, reverse, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, put in neutral, split her up and down, hear a click, working properly, and that completes my in-cab inspection. Now I'm going to secure the vehicle, lowest forward gear, shut my trunk off, put my key to accessory position,